Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this procedure. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace to avoid static buildup. Make sure to power down your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. Start by flipping your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB upside down. Locate the screws securing the back cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. There are typically around 10 screws, ensure none are lost during this process. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious here, as excessive force can damage the casing. Work your way around the edges until the cover is free. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the battery. The battery is usually a large rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. To remove the battery, first disconnect the battery cable. This cable is typically secured with a small connector clip. Gently lift it to free the cable without damaging it. Next, remove any screws that might be holding the battery in place. After removing these screws, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Take a moment to clean the area around the battery with a soft, lint-free cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate, which may affect performance. If you are replacing the battery, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Make sure it aligns correctly with the screw holes. Reattach the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is secure and properly connected. Now, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy and convenient for you, no calls, no travel. Next, secure the new battery in place with the screws you removed earlier. Once the battery is secured, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. Reinsert the screws in their original positions, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. Finally, turn your device back over and power it on. Check to see if the battery is recognized and functioning correctly. It's important to monitor the battery health over time. If you notice any issues, revisit the maintenance steps or consider reaching out for professional help. If you prefer, you can always request a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. This ensures transparency and helps you make informed decisions regarding your device's maintenance needs. Following these steps will help you maintain your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB efficiently, prolonging its life and performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.